Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel, How to Crypto. In this guide video, we're going to look at how you can sign into your Pionex account. It only takes a few steps to sign into your account, so let's get straight into the video. But before that, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notification so you don't miss any upcoming uploads. So what you need to do is firstly open up the website of Pionex, which is pionex.com. And then after you open the website, you can click on the sign in option. Now from here, you can log in using your phone number if you used your phone number while you created your account, or use your email address if you used your email address while creating your account. Now type in your email address or your phone number and then type in the password that you created. If you want to reveal this password, then you can click on this eye icon. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on forgot password and reset it, and you'll be able to create a new password. After you fill in this information, click on sign in. Now slide this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You'll need to enter the code here in order to log in. After you enter the code, you can click confirm. And just like that, you will be logged in to your Pionex account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If it was helpful to you, then give this video a thumbs up and we will be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.